This means that your washer has recognized a problem with draining the water away. And maybe you also notice that there is water in the tank. Don't worry. This problem can be very often solved on your own. A blocked pump or kinked drain hose might be the reason for this issue. It's not draining. The first thing you can do is check the filter for blockages. If there is no blockage and the water drains freely, when you remove the filter, there is most likely a problem with the drain pump. To access the drain pump, you need to open the front of the washing machine. Start by opening the top cover and unclipping the front panel. And screw the side screws. Release rubber and the lock. Now just 2 more screws from the bottom and remove front panel. Now it's easy to reach the drain pump. Have to remove and check it's not working or there it's other problem. In my case, there is some silicone stripe around the paddle. If you do not have such a problem, you can check the pump using the following method. It's working. If not working, replace with new one and assemble back all. All done, now it's ready to use.